Hello and welcome to today's webinar, Easements, Key Issues and Update on behalf of Legal Futures. My name is Peta Dollar and I'm a freelance lecturer, trainer and writer. So, what is an easement? And if you like, what's the difference between an easement and other kinds of rights? Things like, for example, a way leave or a licence. Well, there are four essential characteristics of an easement. The first is there must be one piece of land that enjoys the easement, and that used to be called the dominant tenement, although it's more likely to be called the benefited land nowadays, and one piece of land over which the easement is exercised, and that used to be called the servient tenement, but is often called the burdened land nowadays. Secondly, the easement must benefit the land that enjoys it. In other words, it must actually accommodate the dominant tenement or the benefited land. Does it make the use of that land easier or better in some way, as opposed to a right that benefits an individual but does not actually benefit their land? Thirdly, the two pieces of land must be in separate ownership. And finally, the easement must be a right capable of being an easement. Now, those four characteristics were set out quite some time ago now, in 1955, in the leading case of re Ellenborough.